Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Let's get straight into it. Now, Bitcoin has fallen to these $39,000 levels. We were at the $42,000 levels yesterday. It's down 7%. So, let's move into Dogelon Mars and see the price action. What we need to be looking out for in the coming week in order to continue to the upside. We are currently testing these 7 levels, coming down, and we are testing, or should be testing, these triple bottoms soon around these 630 levels, which will be a prime averaging in opportunity. And I will be averaging in at these levels if we do decide to retrace this low. Now, we saw a little spike yesterday in the markets, and we are currently taking back all of the movement we made to the upside. Now, we are having a lot of political instability right now with everything that's going on in the world, which describes what's going on in these markets right now. Describes why they're low. And right now, in these times, is when you want to be averaging in your portfolio in the scary times. Because think about it, is the 99% of people averaging in when there's extreme political instability right now? No, they're not. They're in fact, they're probably selling most of their stuff, which is driving some of the prices even lower. For a major discount. So keep that in mind. Buy when there's blood in the streets, because don't look at this as a 1 week hold. Don't look at this as a 1 month hold. Look at this as a year plus hold. Okay. Not only because you'll make more money and you won't have to pay as much capital gains tax, but also because that is what you will make the most profits on. Because in the long term, this is going to blow up. As long as crypto does not get banned in the United States, we should see a massive surge in this coin. Yes, my money is still in this. I'm still holding it. I will be averaging in once we drop lower. This is the prices we need to look for today. The support and resistance levels we need to look for today. I'm going to drop some time frames. Go to these 4 hourly candles. So currently we are testing. We are making higher lows still. After all of this, we are still making higher lows. We are currently testing these 686 levels. So we need to, if we come down to these levels, I think someone's coming over on my side of the house when I'm filming a YouTube video. I'm filming a YouTube video. Excuse me. Stop. I'm filming it. Thank you. I will be right over. We want to test these 686 levels. When we come down to here, we want to see these buyers step in volume overbearing the previous resistance levels that we have created. So we want to see a volume candlestick bigger than this huge red candlestick. Okay, if we see that, that's an extremely bullish sign that these buyers are not letting the price move lower than these 686 levels. So if we come down to these 686 levels, which we very most likely will, that's the most bullish scenario, the most green scenario that we can see. However, if it breaks through these 686 levels, then we want to watch these 623 levels, okay? More specifically, there's a range to this, and I will draw that range out as we speak. We want to watch, boom, 6, I don't like saying that, number, but we want to, I'll move it up, just one. We want to watch these 677 levels and these 621 levels, okay? So, more specifically, we want to, now, if it comes down here and starts showing buying pressure here, it's simply a fake out, okay? Now, if it breaks through these 677 levels, it should be coming down to these 6.2 levels, okay? We want to see some buyers step in here, and this is when I will personally be watching very closely. I'll have my alerts set, and I'll be watching on the lower time frames to see how the buyers and sellers are reacting in this level. If they're reacting positively, then I will average in. If the buyers are reacting weak and the sellers are taking over, then I will just wait, because we could very well come back down to these 5 levels. Now, if we do see that is an extreme buying opportunity. I will be averaging in the rest of my portfolio right around these levels. However, that is a stretch. Coming down to here is a stretch. We will have to see Bitcoin go back into the 33 to 30, maybe even 20 levels. Okay? So, that's what we're looking out for. Today, most bullish case scenario right now is us to come down. That's the second most bullish case scenario, because at this point in time, we are creating higher lows still. We want to see it push higher than these 726 levels. Most bullish case scenario, push higher than these 726 levels, following this trend line. Boom, once we do that, we broke previous resistance. We've got to watch this for a little retracement back down, creating support here and moving higher. That's the most bullish. Second most bullish, if we come down, show some strong buying pressure, move back up like that. Third, we come back down, it fakes out, comes back up, boom. Fourth, it comes down, breaks through these 677s, comes down, shows buying pressure here, and moves higher. That will be, it's a possibility. However, we're going to have to see some major red movement in the markets, because if you look at the markets right now, we are down 3.9%, whereas Bitcoin is down currently almost 7%. So it's a good thing we are holding up very nicely in these altcoins. And that's what we need to watch for in the coming day. This will be today. Something like this will happen. In the 4-hourly candles within the next 24 hours, we will see one of these scenarios happen. Let me just draw them out for you guys so you have a really, really clear indication. Clear visualization is what's going on. So here, we can either break through this, come back down, boom, boom, right? That's first. Number one. Number two, we can come down to here, show strong buying pressure, probably show a little bit of resistance here, and then break through. That is 2. 3, we can come down to here, break through it, show this, boom, right? 4 or 3, all right, boom. And then 4, come down to here, break through this, boom. And then show strong buying pressure, move higher. 4. And the fifth most bearish case scenario is we just come down and we break through everything. Go down to these 5 levels. Now that will take an extreme amount of uncertainty in the markets. Pretty much, if the United States bans crypto, this is what we'll be looking at. So that's the only worry really that we need to worry about in order for this 4 and 5 level. Now 3 could be a possibility just because they're faking out these weak hands before we move higher. So yeah, pretty much what we're looking at is these options 1, 2, and 3. Now, if the United States comes out with some news about crypto no one was expecting, then we could expect 4 or 5. Crypto being at 69. Join the Patreon if you don't have time to watch these charts. I come out with daily updates and real-time buy and sell alerts, so you don't have to watch these charts. I do it for you, and I'll alert you on the best times to buy so you can make the most amount of money with the least amount of stress in these markets. Crypto being at 69. Also have a course on technical analysis if you want to learn this yourself, so you can use it on any other coin in these markets and any other stock. Check it out. The link is in the description. It is currently on a discount. I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto being at 69 out.